welcome back to my channel. Hello, my name is Yancy. I'm on a journey to become debt free. I'm excited today we play with you guys. We got $25. So this right here is a spooky binder, super cute and excited. It is for my emergency fund. I am trying to save for my emergency fund, also at the same time, pay off my debt. And so I'm excited to see where we go today, how far we get along. I know it's not a lot of money, and also guys, it's very gloomy outside, and the lighting is not super duper duper great, but hey, it is what it is. What can we do? So yeah, I will use $25 all in once, but at the end I will condense this and put it in my envelope. So let's go ahead and get started. This should save us at the end. It should save us more than $500, as you can see here, and you can get this from Budget with Amanda. I will tag her below so you guys can go to her channel, and she has an Etsy shop as well. All right, so we are here. We left off here. So we're going to scratch off some goodies. I'm a little bit scared, you guys, since I don't have a lot of money, so we will see how it goes. All right, I hope you guys are doing great. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys have a good Saturday. I worked today all day because one of the employee asked for today off because she's celebrating both her kids' birthday. Oh my gosh, it never fails. Oh, by the way, I had to do this because I was like, it just goes perfect, but y'all can't see it, but it's okay. All right, number 5. So from now on, I'm gonna wear this. So number 5, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, here we go. Wish us luck. Yes, it's a 5. Oh my gosh, that's not bad. That's exciting. I'm talking very low because everybody's sleeping right now, and also I'm not feeling that great for my throat. How I told you guys, Dylan and I were trying to get sick. Yeah, we're a little bit sick, but that's okay. Okay guys, $5. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh my goodness, let's see how far we can get. It's so exciting. Okay, so next, we got this one. All right, here we go. Let's see which one we're gonna do. Oh my gosh, we're gonna do a 5 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna roll. Okay, how much are we gonna roll? Oh, shut up. A 5. What's going on with number 5? What's going on? Oh my goodness. So we're doing a 5. You are kidding me right now. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Awesome sauce. Okay. Next. Let's see. All right, this one. All right, let's see. Hopefully I can roll good. Let's see. There we go. So we got a 4. Okay, and we're going to do a 6. So 4 and a 6. So we're gonna add $4. So that's not bad. $4. And this one should be, after we complete this whole board here, we should save 142. So that's exciting. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Yeah, $4. We still got a decent amount. It's not bad. All right, next makes me so excited because we're doing pretty good so far. All right, okay. So this one, let's see what we rolled. Oh my goodness, a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No, 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 no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, you're kidding, for real? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, so I do have it. Oh my goodness. I didn't think I was going to have it, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is up to $45, but depending on your roll, that's how much you're gonna save. So this one for sure you will save $45 and plus. OMG. So yes, you guys, we got $10 and we have $1 left over, and The next one is a roll. Let me see. No. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not going to risk it. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to save it here. I won't catch all of it. So hold on. I want it to dry. All right, so we're going to go here and put that $1 on catch all. So this right here, Amanda told me that is for any money that you have left over. If you don't want any IOUs, you can just put it here and you're still saving. And I'm like, yeah, let's not have an IOU. I don't want an IOU. All right, so there you have it. So we are, where did we left off? Okay, so we're going to start off here the next time. OMG. All right, let's actually count our money and see if we have that money correctly. So let's see, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. Yes, so 25. Yes. All right, let me move, y'all. Let me get those $25, and we're adding that to our emergency fund, which is so exciting. Oh my goodness, yay. Thank you so much, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was fun. I love it. I really do like it. It's a quick and fun way to save money. And yeah. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Thank you so much. I see you guys back again tomorrow for Lucky Sunday. And oh my gosh, my camera was tilted some type of way. I hope the video is okay, guys. I don't know, I'm tired. It's been a long morning. Oh my goodness. Anyways, you guys, it's still early in the morning, so I don't know why I'm saying it's been a long morning. Maybe because I woke up like around 4 in the morning. I couldn't go back to sleep until an hour later. But anyway, hope you have a great Saturday. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Your time is precious, and I appreciate all of you guys. I see you guys back again tomorrow for Lucky Sunday. Bye, guys. Love ya.